Balisin niyo naman.
Good morning, everyone. Honored guests, our hardworking district supervisor, Sir Joey L. Casarial, our simple, beautiful, and talented principal, Madam Maria Milagros Dunico, beloved teachers, proud parents, barangay officials headed by Barangay Captain Antonio Caigas, visitors, and my fellow graduates. Today is a special day. We are gathered here to celebrate our hard work, perseverance, and the amazing journey we've had in elementary school. First, I want to express my deepest gratitude to our teachers. You have been our guides, our mentors, and our biggest supporters. You taught us not just about math, science, and reading, but also about kindness, responsibility, and believing in ourselves. To our parents, grandparents, and families, thank you for your endless love and encouragement. You were always there, cheering us and reminding us to never give up. This achievement is as much yours as it is ours. To my beloved parents, Daddy Max Ray and Mommy Rochelle, who are both working abroad, I am very thankful for your love and sacrifices. I love you very much. My grandparents, Papa Max and Mama Glo, are with me, taking care of me and guiding me from late night homework sessions to morning wake-up calls. I love you both more than words can express. To my fellow graduates, we did it! We have spent years learning, growing, and creating wonderful memories. From our first day of school, we were nervously held onto our bags. So today, standing proudly as graduates, we have come a long way. We have faced many challenges, but we've never backed down. We've also learned that mistakes are just stepping stones to success. As we move on to high school, let us carry our lessons that we've learned. Let's continue to be kind, to be curious, and to dream big. The future is waiting for us, and I believe we will achieve even greater things. Finally, I want to acknowledge God. Without His guidance, I would not be here standing before you now. Thank you all, and God bless us as we move on confidently into the future. Congratulations, class of 2025. This is just the beginning of our journey. Thank you.
Ayan, palakpakan naman.